Hi, in this video I'll show how to install pomodorium. Pomodorium is Pomodoro technique gamification timer. It's a way to gamify Pomodoro technique with that. So basically this is a website of Pomodorium. I'll link on this site into description. There are a couple ways to install it. I can click to how to install, go to installing page. And here, first way is to install through web installer. This is a way, it was created a while ago when Flash was available, Flash plugin, Flash player. You can see Flash player is blocked now. Mostly it's default setting for Chrome. So if you're on Windows, you can download Pomodorium exe installer and run it and install it. If you're on Mac, you have to go install Adobe Air and then download Adobe Air and just double click on it and it will be started. Another way is to enable Flash Player and install it through Flash Player. It should work on any platform. To enable it, I will just go on this sign. You can see Flash Player blocked. Click on it and we'll click on Manage. Then here I will click Ask First, then I will go back to page and click on Refresh it. Then I can click on Flash Player. And then it will ask me Run Flash, allow. And after some time you can see loading, and let's wait a little. So it should have like this screen, install now. Let's click on it. Yeah, it has installed now. Now I can just click on installing, click on yes, and it will be again allow. It's like, and application will be installing. Please wait while this application installs. Yes. And now the installation started. I click install, click on continue, click on yes here. It's a relatively small application. It's not like, and you can see shortcut on your desktop. Now I can double click and launch it. Yep, here it is. So yeah, basically this is if you are like for different platform, you can try to install, download, install for different platform, or you can just allow web player, web installer through Chrome settings and install it. Yeah, and basically that's it. We have an application running, and we can go to different screen. This is my default character screen. Because I was, I had this Pomodoro before, so all settings just remain. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions or problem with install, please leave them in the comments.